I'm here a few days back, so it is a fantastic and very easy and very nice logo. So guys, just try and it will be more better for you. Just just see how fantastic a logo design. So first of all, I need to clear this all things. Yes, ready here. So start from this side. First of all, I need to this one for the situation. So start here. First of all, I need to this keeping press, then ellipse tool. So ellipse tools is very effective for this logo. So let us start here. You press this one. Yes, right here. So go to the object tool and go to the down and select offset path. Okay, so press the enter. But nice. So I'm gonna back to the object and the path and offset path here. You see, very easy, very common. Now what should I do? I need to just this one. I need a rectangle tool. Why rectangle tool? Just here. You see, how should I do? I'm not a scaling, just for doing immediately or doing fast. I'm not using this scale. If you professional thinking, if you uh, correctly doing, you should use this scaling. So I'm not using front scaling, just it will take more time. So I'm gonna just fast, I'm gonna just easy. So I'm not just using the scale for this time. So what should I do? I did just copy this one. How should I copy? Just press the Alt and just here. Oh, very nice. So it is very nice. Right here, just I need a little bit small, little bit. Yes, it, it is not at the middle. Right here at the middle. So I need a back to copy this one for middle. Yes. What should I do? I just press R and enter. It should 90 degree. So it's nice. So it's big. I need to big it. Press B. It will be here. Then it will be smaller. So I need big copy this one like that. Put it middle and it just here like that. Yes, right here, but just like that. Nice. So back here for the copy, another one right here. Yes. Now just set it here a little bit. Yes, you see how do it. Just it is very simple. Everything is done, almost done. So what should I do? I just copy, not copy, just select all these objects. And how should I cut everything? So what is it? Just go to the shape builder tool, click. You see how I cut it. Wow, it is very simple and fantastic. You see, like this, I cut all the things. Oh, nice, so nice, so nice. You see, oh my god, how possible? I cut all the things. Oh, nice, very nice, very nice. So guys, cut this one. Yes, this one. Yes. Just how should I this one? How should I cut? Just press Alt and this one. Okay, so very nice. How should I do? How should I do? I need to back to the altar like that. You see how I cut it. Nice, very nice. Now almost done. What should I do? I right here now. Just color. How should I choose the color? You can choose anyone. Just select like that. Select like that. Select. You can choose any color. Which one do you like? I like this one. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, I can. I can this one. I can this one. I can this one. No problem. So it is very nice. So back here, just shift and which I like. I see this one very nice. So guys, how is possible? How is simple? And how is effective? Just you watch this video and to take one Illustrator. So it is completely easy and effective and easy way. Just stay with me and support me and follow me, and you can do it easily. So thanks for watching it.